Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates, and give me your valuable opinion. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 gaming PC. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones. Best of 5. Alienware Gaming Desktop PC. 7th generation Intel Quad-Core i5, 7400 processor. 8GB DDR4 2400 MHz, 1TB SATA 7200 RPM HDD. Tray loading dual-layer DVD burner. Bluetooth 4.2, Intel 3165 1x1 800 2.11 acres, Wi-Fi wireless LAN. 8GB RX 480 dedicated graphics. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Dell Inspiron Gaming PC. Intel Core i7 8700. 16GB 2400 MHz DDR4. 128GB M.2 boot, 2TB 7200 RPM SATA HDD, 6GB storage. NVIDIA GTX 1060 graphics card. The GeForce GTX 1060 delivers brilliant performance. Best of 3. Ibuypower Pro Gaming Computer. Intel Core i7 9700K, 8-core processor 3.6 GHz. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070, 8GB dedicated gaming video card. Display connectors, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI. Ibuypower Signature Trace, tempered glass RGB gaming case. 1-year parts and labor-free lifetime tech support. Best of 2. Kook High Performance Gaming PC. Intel Core i9 9900K, 8-core processor, 95W with liquid cooling. 1TB NVMe solid-state drive, 2TB 7200 revolutions per minute hard disk drive. RAM, 32GB DDR4 2666 MHz. Corsair Carbide 275R, with RGB LED lighting. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, 11GB GDDR6, chipset, Z390. Best of 1. Cyberpowerpc Gaming PC. Intel Core i5 8400 2.8 GHz 6-core, Intel B360M Express chipset, 8GB DDR4, 120GB SSD, 1TB HDD. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060, 3GB video card. Connectivity, 6 USB 3.1, 2, USB 2.0. 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, audio, 7.1 channel, PS2 keyboard and mouse connection. 1-year parts and labor warranty. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please, give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share, and comments.